Silmini on mi hofni on on jaɓɓamon. Today we will discuss or we will teach you the letters of Fulani language. I welcome you, but before we start our lesson, I welcome you on my channel, on your channel in YouTube, Fulani Tales. This is a channel that dedicated to you and all Fulani people in every place in this world. As you know, in Fulfulde we have 32 Alkule. This is 32 Alkule divided to two groups: Alkule Labde and Alkule Mumde or Alkule Dortade. Alkule Labde A-E-I-O-U. Alkule Dortade, the rest of the the Alkule. We will discuss this in the next video, inshallah. Okay.